हिस्ट्री ऑफ द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज एंड लिटरेचर, यूनिट 8 हम लोग पढ़ेंगे। लेट मॉडर्न इंग्लिश पीरियड रूगल फ्रॉम 1800 to 2000। The late modern English period is just another phase in the history and development of the English language. This period marks the beginning of many social and political events that took place in Europe and has had an effect on the entire world in the succeeding times. The emergence of Britain as the Superman Nathan on the sea, England's victory over Russian in the Crimean War 1854-56, the growing sources in establishing its empire in the Asian countries like India, Ru- 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 Ruga- Ru- Ru- reorganization of the British Parliament, revision of the penal code, and poor laws in England, restriction one child labor, and industrial revolution that started early but was at its climax during 19th and 20th century in England and in other countries of Europe, where the factor factors that led England towards making into a network democratic country and English society based on such a democratic base. This indirectly resulted in reducing the distance between classes in the English society. Development of English with now ideas and approaches in England. Fortunately, newspaper in English started somewhere in the 19th century. Means of some transport also improved during this period, which helped in helping building England as own society speaking English language throughout in variety. There are difference in spoken language also reduced slowly with the influence of the standard dialects of English spoken by the education class in London and other cities of England. This is some language being very useful in individual life now become an attraction of all classes in England with the discoveries and invention in the fields of science and technology during this period. Scientists and scholars once again worked one day their largely of Greek and Latin words and formed new words in English. Most of the words in English have either been derived or created based on Greek and Latin words during this phase out of a scholarly need for the study. Student studying botany, geology, physics, chemistry, and even other courses will easily be able to trace this shift of the English language as a need of time in the year of learning. The the changes are due to advancement in science and technology and even all other areas in life required new terminology to express. We see many such terms added during this phase in English. Medicine is one such field where we can easily locate the change in the English language. We speak of an anemia, bacteria, and virology, bacteriology, and with not we have also understood pretense vitamins effect carbohydrate and their com- combustion and metabolism. All these and many other words have become the part and parcel of English vocabulary by now. Even in physical sense, many inventions took place and likewise vocabulary related become friendly. The terms like electronic photon colonization, quantum mechanics, and even relatively become popularly in academic. Thus, almost all, irrespective of their dis- discrepancies, classes, economic state, professional, even laborious parties, participation in the transformation of English society and the nation as a whole during this period, then how their language can be distanced from from gaining identity of being being equally forward English to calibrated this developing phase immensely throughout its uses for multiple purpose in daily conversation by its speakers globally. By this time, English speaking people had reached everywhere and for literature as well. The colonial rule and development of English England with all other country parents from Europe could establish a hog empire by now in Asia and Africa with its progressive policy of economic and political decisions in this colonial. The rule has also used its language English as will to make the taste stronger. Lord Macaulay minute of on education of 1855 could be seen as an example with which English education began in India. There is different opinion about the intention behind this step by the colonizer, but statements plantation of the sapling of English in a foreign land was done. Today we see India as the second largest country speaking English after the United States. Credit goes to the policy and its marks during this period in the English speaking words. During the colonial rules, a hug give and take happened in between the language that English come in contact with during this period of symbolism among languages. English being ready to adopt had accepted many things from local language and become right entirely initially English being the language of the mastery influenced the locally and in due courses of times got influenced by the local, so the new things in the local culture of language influence and become one with English. Hence, many words of language from Africa and Asia are found in English even now. Every time now words are added to the list of English vocabulary throughout new edition of the dis- dictionary. Dictionaries. The words Nervian, jungle, Pundit, Bengal, Sal, Sampo become English words. Many such words that have already gone throughout there during the ancient times to Greek and Rome can be translation in English from Greek and times Ginger is the words. It is said to have been of Malayalam origin. Mango and Kuri are some other example of words from South Indian language in trade in English. Such give and take happened with many other languages like Hindi words aviator, allow, Bengali, Bangalo, Bangalore, char चारपाई चाटा चीटा चीट चुटनी कॉट डेकोइट ग्राम मसाला मसाला गु, गुर गुरगीम खाना जून गाली कैकी करना लोट महाराजा महाराजा मंत्रा पास पासमीना पूसी पैजामाज रेता रोटी सिपोई शैम्पू टेम्पो हई डॉग टाइफोन Bernard and Air become English words like Hindi, Urdu, Punjabi, Bengali, and other languages of the British Empire also contributed in making English rich with their vocabulary. Cine, cinema, television, radio, computer, and English language in the 20th century. Language process with it used in a different manner. By this time, English had become a rich language both for its communicative ability and its aptness when used for writing purpose by the readers with the beginning of the 20th century. The words cinema had become much more friendly to English-speaking population. Were related to the cinema like read, scream, projects, cameras, close up, feel, sense, etc. became English words without any history, his, hesitation. Soon after come television in the first decade of the 20th century was related to TV. We like te- tele, teleprogram, profile, Visi divide video part cable TV and many others technical words radian form radian for follower around 1925 and words related to radio and television. Many common like broadcast aerial antenna, loud speakers, ammunitions, reception, standby and transmitter have also occupied space in the public vocabulary of English in the first decades of the 20th century. The popular abbreviation then and even now synonyms with entertainment, FM frequency modulation, and AM amplified modulation became a part of regular usage in public. His took place such knowledge about language become much of it was the need of the horse English period. It matter matter will carrying the due due of new knowledge in the technology. It so sold no history he, his talents in borrowing and adopting things of need. The age of the age of digitization began with the arrival of the first computer somewhere around the further decide of the 20th century. Computer related terms and words become quite evident in no time with the spared of personal computer all over the world. By the end of the 20th century, English vocabulary in US will become global. Words like software, hardware, memory, data, programs, monitor, floppy disk, pen drive, hard disk, language uploaded, download, hacked, anti-virus, crosses, copy, paste, and the units like KB, kilo, batic, MB, megabyte, GB, gigo, byte, TB, trade, bet with many other become a multi multi-phase of its uses across the globe. The abbreviation CD, compact disc, DVD, digital varietic disc, RAM, random access memory, ROM, read, read on only memory, DOS, disk op- operating system become such a common in uses among its users that the user might be unaware of its scientific function and full name, but they study using it is in day-to-day communication. Thus, English became the ve- vehicle of this technological tool in the 20th century, cate- catering to the needs of its user of the computer need to learn this language, or otherwise they will be helps in this technological drive. Time refinement of English language in the 20th century. Language is a living entity, and the English language could be an example to which how it got refined throughout various incident techniques and process. The present form of the English language has never been born as an end product ready for usage. In fact, every word, idioms, phrase, slang, expression, and sentence had to go a long way to get converted from being some things uncultural, ordinary, or to some things respect and good. In the words of acceptability, many new words as the words borrowed, coined by scholars. There are words they are born out of affix turn to words in us by adding a prefix to the root word. New words are formed, and these new words help enlarge the vocabulary of English with growing contact of this language. We have many such formation like trans transcollateral transformation transocations transliterators transcriptions using words as a prefix. We have post postgraduate postgraduate post colonial and using pair as a prefix. We have parental pair, primary pair, reconciliate and new formation in English. There are similar examples using suffixes in English very commonly used during this period. Words like stand genres profession recruiters examination and many other words are formed by adding suffix based the prefix and suffix. There are other process of formation that worked miraculously in English to coin words in words in recent years. Words like the Jeepers section coded refrigeration are some people's example in invented during this time. There are formation using the first few letters of words known as acro- acronyms in English. Such formation are very much helpful in daily uses. Example like reads, redone, detecting and rainings self contained underwater weather breathings apparatus with many other are very useful in referring to such long little. There are other formation created using the first few letters of one words and the last letters of another word called clipping. Example like motor, Y, and hotel. This 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 telephone, distant, and telephones, and travel, and the dialogues are very much in us. Days when we talk of transformation in the English language in the 20th century, there are creation dark hold us kill their word, and even new there are slang words in the English language. A slang is a colloquially expression used in a manner below the educated variation of language using words new or available one with some special sense. The words which were slang sometimes in the past new have entered into the respected list of us, like of joke my bad now, whereas it the role these English slang words are playing is a hug's importance in our times. It the in the age of growing awareness about the region and local identities and their respect, these slang words add to the beauty of the English language is an accepted fact in the 20th century, accepting the plurality in the use of the English language and maintaining a sort of unity when English is spoken. Britain come out with a standard form of English. It is often termed as received pronunciation, RPS. Its acronym in Britain, the idea in to have a better model of language in a speech hence the various dialects of English and way of pronouncing words and sentences. This attempt by the scholars not only helped the educational institution in Britain, but it provided a model of using English uniformly across the world. This facilitated throughout various resources like that of Oxford English Dictionary help people get correct pronunciation very easily in the country like the United States, Canada, Australia, South Africa, and in the Asian countries that were once under the rule of Britain. This new turn of English language in used so as to higher acknowledge its purpose from new. There is a competition among new learners to learn this language as peer RP for communication is a fact. Thus, English was refined both in its matters and manners right from the beginnings, but the degree of its technical correctness in terms of grammatical use of pronunciation was at its its center in the 20th century. Based this technical prescience attempted to facilitate with new words and the creation of scientific terms and other words for use throughout various process was something very creative in this language in the long run due to all these experiments and the base flexibility in us. English has contributed a lot to the growth and development of English during this period. The battle was still not over. There were many dialects of English, and even new they are in practice in London City. It is said English is spoken in some 250 different dialects during this period. A new vision of respecting the diversity in the spoken form of language existed, but an attempt was also made to have an idea, a uniform kind of and structure and manner throughout British received pronunciation. The pronunciation this have created a benchmark in setting a high standard of language use.